Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of electronics technology news is making PCB design and manufacturing easier. Speed up your design process, reduce errors, and improve manufacturing efficiency with reliable printed circuit board component data and outsourcing services, all at a lower cost. PCBparts.com is a collaboration between Zetron Technologies Incorporated and Printed Circuit Board PCB Libraries Incorporated, serving as a destination for part data used by footprint expert users globally. The site also offers outsourcing services for library tasks that may delay your projects, with Zetron Technologies managing all content and services. The software can have many users within the electronics manufacturing and design industry. The platform benefits printed circuit board PCB designers, manufacturers, and engineers looking to streamline their design workflows and improve the accuracy and consistency of their printed circuit board PCB productions. Additionally, companies that might experience delays due to library tasks can outsource these services to PCB Parts. The platform offers a specialized service that delivers a comprehensive printed circuit board PCB component library solution to improve the efficiency and precision of printed circuit board PCB design and manufacturing processes. Using high-quality library data, PCB Parts ED enables manufacturers to optimize their design workflows and maintain consistency and accuracy throughout all phases of printed circuit board PCB production. The company claims to deliver printed circuit board PCB design solutions at a lower cost. PCB Parts ED addresses common printed circuit board PCB design and manufacturing challenges by offering a library of symbols and footprints that comply with industry standards like IPC 7351. This approach ensures consistency and minimizes errors in printed circuit board PCB designs. They also provide customized library services that cater to specific customer requirements, ensuring that each project's symbols and footprints meet the precise needs. By offering ready-made symbols and footprints, PCB Parts ED helps designers save time and focus on other aspects of the design process. The use of a standardized library reduces the risk of design errors related to incorrect or inconsistent symbols and footprints, thus improving the PCB's reliability. These services make PCB Parts ED a useful resource for enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of the printed circuit board PCB design process. The 30 days evaluation is a free offering that provides 10 download credits and 10 part credits. The Platinum subscription, available for $300 with a 1-year annual commitment, includes 300 download credits per month and 10 part credits. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of my electronics technology channel, and for searching my channel please write @ electronics technology 50.